Well friends, today we're unboxing a 7-piece metallic color stainless knife set. This is a lifetime warranty from Cuisineart. Alright, so 7 blade guards are included here. So there we go. We got a 8-inch chef knife here in purple, 8-inch slicing knife, 8-inch bread knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 5.5-inch santoku knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. Okay. Alright, these are a handsome group of knives, I must say myself. Gosh, aren't they beautiful? The lifetime warranty here. Looks like, let's open that up here. Caution, knives are in blade guards. Open package from this end. Okay. Alright, there's those two. Let's set those right there. Yeah, open. Definitely want to open from this end. Okay. It's a little difficult. Okay. One more to go. Alright, so oh, it's close. How do these go on there? Oh, they slide in there, I think. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh wow, that is green's my favorite color. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful knife there? I don't know if it's full tang or not though. Doesn't really say. So there's number 4. Okay. There's number 5. Look at that beautiful knife. Isn't it pretty? Look at the light glinting off the blade. That is quite sharp. Oh yes, that's sharp. Probably shave my thumb with that quite easily. Okay, and least but not last is the purple meanie. Look at that. Let's see how sharp this is, really, my friends. The paper. Oh wait, this is the before you register. Okay. Okay, that's a pretty clean cut there, like a razor blade almost. Isn't that a beautiful knife? Isn't it beautiful? Alright, so like I said before, I'm not sure if these are full tang or not. So full tang means the metal part continues all the way into the handle. Sometimes it's just right here. The metal ends here in the handle, and then when you're cutting, that can break off in the cheaper knives. I'm not sure if that's the case with these. Probably not, since it's Cuisineart. So I would assume that the metal continues all the way to the end, and then the plastic handle is molded around that. But some pretty knives for sure. Probably the prettiest bunch of knives I've ever seen. A nice little rainbow there. So, and obviously very sharp, as you could see. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there.